Are you looking for the best 120V stick welder? In this video we will look at some of the best 120V stick welder on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Forney Easy Weld 298, 100 ST Welder 120 volt, 90 amp. Forney is a well-renowned firm that is popular for producing top-quality welders for farmers and hobbyists. One of its top products is the Forney Easy Weld 298, 100 ST welder. This welder is made with a power system inverter. The welder is also compact and lightweight, making it suitable for both home and farm use. Flexible and portable with a weight of about 7.5 pounds, the Forney Easy Weld 298 making it amongst the most light and weight sticks currently available in the market. It also comes with a 6 feet long electric cord, which helps in ensuring that it provides one with the freedom of working from any location. A TIG welder. This welder is in a position of doing TIG welding due to its versatility. This feature makes it possible to be used in different projects, or in welding different materials or metals of different thickness. At number 2. KICKINGHORSE 120V Arc Stick Welder. The KICKINGHORSE 120V Arc Stick Welder is a premium welder that is ideal for people who are after efficiency. This stick welder boasts of having one of the lowest weights in the list with a weight of just 10.8 pounds. It is possible to always haul this kicking horse around to any place you need it and carry out all your DIY projects. Power rated 100A at 30% duty cycle, this stick welder is capable of burning 3/16" plate within a single pass. It is also possible to run 1/8 rod without any stress. This welder can effectively handle the E6013, E6011, E7014 or E7018 electrode that makes it suitable for cast iron, mild steel, stainless steel and hard surfacing. Size weighing just 7.7 pounds, this welder also comes with a heavy-duty adjustable shoulder strap. This makes it very convenient to transport between job sites, or you can also use it while moving. Its compact size helps it to also save precious space in the garage. Safety over voltage, overheating and overload sensors are built in to help in addressing protection of entry-level welders. This KICKINGHORSE 120V Arc Stick Welder is 100% safe for use in welding at home. It comes with an unbeatable 85V open circuit voltage, which will allow a 100 easy to strike the arc. At number 3. 2019 Everlast Power Arcade 160 STH 160 amp HF TIG Stick IGBT Welder. This Everlast Power Arc 160 STH is a very popular welder that is well respected and widely used, mainly due to the fact that it is a combination welder that helps offer one with the freedom to always switch back and forth between the arc and the TIG. Portable and easy to use, this Everlast Power Arc 160 STH can be used anywhere. It comes with a shoulder strap and is very lightweight, which makes it quite portable and easy to carry around and use it wherever you will be working. The option to run at 120V or at 220V, it is possible to set up and weld within minutes from any place where there is power source. Dual voltage. The 2019 Everlast Power Arcade 160 STH stick welder makes it great for experts as well as DIY. It has an adjustable power range, which makes it a great welder for around mobile welding services, yard projects or a professional store work. It can easily perform all the tree tasks. At number 4. Forney 291 180 ST Easy Weld Welder. The Forney 291 180 ST Easy Weld Welder is perfect for beginners. Despite not being that affordable, it is worth the cost. It consists of features which are not available in most of the other stick welder. Dual voltage capability. Dual voltage is one of the top features which are used in identifying the best 120 arc welder. This stick welder is capable of using the 120V and the 230V power outlet. This makes it possible to be used both at home and in any industrial setting. Powerful welder. Due to its dual voltage capability, there are huge expectations when it comes to power output. This stick welder never disappoints. It comes with an output ranging from 10 to 90 amps while using the 120V, and has an output of 10 to 180 amps when using the 230V plug. This makes it possible on welding the 1/2 inch thick mild steel.